Industry experts recommend professional carpet cleaning in homes yearly. Here's why a professional service is a must for carpet maintenance. Deep cleans. Professional carpet cleaning provides a deep clean that will be impossible for you to achieve on your own. The fact is, carpets are exposed to many pollutants. They don't just get dirty. Dust mites, dander, and other contaminants can get caught in carpets, affecting your home's air quality. While you might be good at cleaning, scrubbing this debris from your carpets would require powerful equipment and a soap-free cleaning reagent. These are supplies that you and most homeowners are not going to use. That's because the professional supplies are really only for the professionals, and they're difficult to find. That makes sense because the professionals know how and when to use these supplies. If you hire a professional carpet cleaner, you know we will only use the most high-quality equipment and cleaning supplies, which means your carpet will look great when we're finished. Deodorizes and sanitizes. If your carpet has stains or odors, trying to clean it yourself is going to be difficult, and your carpet won't get that clean. That spot cleaning and those deodorizers aren't going to do anything. That means your carpet is going to have to be deep cleaned. No matter the material of your carpet, it's going to get stained and it's going to absorb odors. However, you have to worry about not just the stains and odors. It's very possible for molds and mildews to form because of how carpets are designed. In fact, mold and mildew are prevalent in carpets, especially if your home is in a cold or humid climate. While you can't do much about the humidity levels in your home, you can have your carpet deep cleaned, which will prevent the presence of these odor-causing irritants. Protects your carpets. Another reason professional carpet cleaning is so much better than trying to clean carpet yourself is that we will deep clean those hard-to-reach areas in your home. We move the furniture, we get into the corners and scour out dirt, stains, and odors so your carpet is fresher and cleaner than ever. We can discern the different fibers of various varieties of carpets and know how much water or cleaning solution is required. We understand that every type of carpet cannot be cleaned in the same way. We know how to clean every type of carpet. If you do the job yourself, you'll likely use too much water or cleanser, which means more mold, mildew, and odors in the carpet and the home. Most likely, you'll use a carpet cleaning soap instead of a cleansing agent on your carpets. This is not recommended. We use soap-free cleansers only because we know that soap often leaves a residue in carpets. That only makes the carpet get dirtier sooner. That means another professional cleaning will be required much sooner than if soap-free reagents were used. So if you want to freshen up your carpet, then you need our help. Whether you're looking for carpet cleaning in Orem, carpet cleaning in Lehigh, carpet cleaning in Provo, or if you're looking for carpet cleaning in Utah County or other areas, we're here for you. We provide residential and commercial carpet cleaning services throughout Utah. AJS Carpet Cleaning uses soap-free carpet cleaning exclusively. For more information, visit our site and get your carpets really clean. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.